So it's a little after 7 o'clock, getting dark earlier. But I was able to finish this up. On the last one, we put our bib in, right there. The nails underneath, so anything coming down here hits on top of the aluminum, down. Often they do them out of copper, but I've been using aluminum. I mean, this is over about 150-year-old roof, so it should last. Of course, I'm more worried about the old ones. Got some cool character to them. I did take out a couple extras in the repair over here. All total though, I really only replaced 5 over here and then 2 up above. Okay, so we're it's after dark. I was hoping I could show some sunset, but a little late for that. Can't really see much. So let's start taking our ladder apart one by one and get down safely. We'll take one down at a time.